In this video, we're going to be going through how to set up a custom Postback URL in ClickBank using CPV Lab. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and head over to ClickBank here. And then we're going to, once we're in the dashboard, we're going to be looking for the integrations tab. So in the left-hand column here, we're going to see a bunch of different items here. And if we scroll down towards the bottom, we're going to go ahead and see integrations, and we're going to go ahead and click on this tab and then click on Postback/pixels. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and scroll down. And once we're in the integrations area, we're going to see a button here that says add integration. And we're just going to go ahead and click on this blue button. And then we're going to be looking for the custom options. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down here until we see custom Postback/pixel. Once I click this, we can go ahead and start adding in our information here. So I'm going to go ahead and set the status to active here and then add an integration name. So now we need to add the account. And then the role type will be affiliate. The tracking type, we'll leave this to server to server, which is S2S. The integration level will be global. And then we're going to go ahead and add the event types. So we're going to add the order, initial order form impression, initial purchase, and the upsell purchase. And then we need to go ahead and add our Postback URL. Now to find our Postback URL, we're going to go ahead and go back to CPV Lab here. And then to the left here, we're going to see a bunch of different menu items here. So we're going to be clicking on the sources tab. And then we're going to go ahead and click on the offer sources menu item here. So now we can go ahead and scroll down, and then we'll be looking for ClickBank, affiliate. So I'm going to go ahead and click the edit button here, and then just copy the Postback URL. And then we can go ahead and paste it into ClickBank here, and then save this campaign, and then we're finished. So thank you guys for checking out this video, and take care.